The MAXYOYO 104-inch modular sectional couch arrives with a familiar modern promise: comfort without commitment. No tools, no bolts, no arguments with instructions written in 6 languages, and none of them helpful. Just open the package, give it space, and let time do its quiet work. Within minutes, the couch begins to expand. Within days, it settles into itself, like it finally remembered who it was supposed to be. This is a boneless, modular L-shaped sectional designed for real life in real spaces. Apartments where doorways are narrow, lofts where furniture needs to adapt instead of dominate, living rooms where the couch has to be many things at once: a movie night command center, a reading nook, a nap zone, and occasionally a peace treaty between adults, kids, and pets. The modular design is the heart of this couch. Each section is molded individually, which means it can be rearranged, separated, or combined depending on the mood, the room, or the size of the gathering. One day, it's an L-shaped chaise for stretching out. Another day, it's a wide, social sofa that comfortably seats 3 or 4 people. It even doubles as a makeshift bed for an afternoon crash or an unexpected overnight guest who promises they'll only stay one night. Comfort is where skepticism usually lives, especially with foam furniture. Here, the foam does something rare. It lands in the middle, supportive but soft, firm without feeling stiff. It doesn't swallow you, and it doesn't push back rudely either. Once fully expanded, the cushions hold their shape well, even with jumping kids, lounging adults, and cats who believe every surface belongs to them. Back support comes from generously sized pillows, which matter more than expected on a lower-to-the-ground couch like this one. The height is something to note. This sofa sits closer to the floor than traditional sectionals. For many people, that feels modern and relaxed. For taller users, it may feel low, especially without the pillows. The trade-off is stability. Despite early worries, the couch doesn't slide around. It stays put, even during enthusiastic play sessions or casual chaos. Details add to the experience. Built-in cup holders at the armrests keep drinks within reach, which quietly changes how often someone has to get up during a movie. Side storage pockets hold remotes, books, magazines, or the small things that usually disappear between cushions. These touches make the couch feel lived in rather than staged. The corded fabric is soft and inviting, easy to wipe down after minor spills, though it does have one honest weakness. Pet hair loves it, and because the couch sits directly on the floor, anything that spills nearby may find its way underneath. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to be aware of if pets and snacks are part of daily life. There is also the smell. Like many vacuum-packed foam products, it arrives with a noticeable factory odor. It fades, but not instantly. Good ventilation and patience solve the problem, usually within a week. Waiting the full 72 hours before heavy use is worth it. The foam firms up, the shape evens out, and the couch becomes what it was meant to be. Customer service deserves a quiet nod. Issues with shipping, minor defects, or last-minute changes have been handled quickly and without friction, which matters when buying large furniture online. This couch feels like it was designed for people who have been burned before by expensive, immovable sectionals that didn't survive the doorway. The MAXYOYO modular sectional couch doesn't try to impress with luxury buzzwords. It wins by being practical, comfortable, and flexible. It's the kind of couch that slowly becomes the favorite seat in the house, replacing older furniture without making a big speech about it. One day, everyone just ends up there. And that's usually how you know it worked.